Hi. Welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial, you will learn how to parse all PDF invoices from Google Drive folder to Google Sheets using PDF.co and Make. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. Here's the sample Google Drive folder containing several sample PDFs that we'll be working with for parsing all invoices in PDF.co. So let's begin. First, log into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. And choose the Watch Files in folder to trigger when a new file is created or modified in a selected folder. Let's configure your Google Drive configuration. First, connect your Google Drive account to Make by following the prompts in the app. In the Watch Files section, select by created time as the trigger for the automation. Choose the drive where the folder you want to fetch is located. Select the folder you want to watch in your Google Drive account. Specify the file types you want to watch for. Enter the maximum number of results you want to work with during each execution cycle. Once you've done setting up the configuration, run the scenario to fetch the folder containing the PDF invoices in your Google Drive account. The scenario runs successfully and detects a new file to trigger the automation to parse the invoice using PDF.co and save the extracted data to a Google Sheet. In this step, let's add the Iterator tools to allow us to perform a set of commands repeatedly on a list of items. Under the Flow control in the Array section, select the Web Content link from Google Drive. Now, let's add other tools and select the Set Variable module to allow us to define a value once and use it multiple times throughout your build process, which can make your files more concise and easier to maintain. Let's set up the variable tools. First, add the name of your variable. Next, specify the variable's lifetime, which is the period of time during which the variable will exist in memory. Then assign a value to the variable using an iterator or other appropriate method, depending on your specific use case. After completing the variable setup, execute the scenario to observe the outcome. Once the scenario runs successfully, add another module to parse data from the PDF invoices. In this step, let's add the PDF.co app to the workflow. And choose the Parse a Document module to parse data from PDF invoices. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, let's select Import a file from the URL option for the Input File field. Then select the variable name containing the URL of the PDF invoices. And, add the template ID containing the parsed data. You can create a template ID by visiting the link in the description box below. Once you've finished setting up the PDF.co configuration, run the scenario to extract the parsed data value from the invoices. PDF.co has processed our request and returned the parsed data value from the invoices. Let's proceed to save the parsed data value to Google Sheets. In this step, let's integrate the Google Sheets app into the workflow. And select the Add Row option to add a new row to the Google Sheet spreadsheet and map the columns in the row with the corresponding parsed data values. Let's set up the Google Sheets configuration. First, connect your Google Sheets account to Make. Next, choose a path and method for accessing the spreadsheet. Then select My Drive as the drive to use. And enter the spreadsheet ID for the spreadsheet where you want to save the parsed data values. Specify the name of the worksheet. Indicate whether the table contains headers by selecting Yes or No. Finally, under the Values field, map the parsed data values from PDF.co to the appropriate columns in the worksheet. Once you have set up the Google Sheets configuration, run the scenario to save the parsed data values to the Google Sheets spreadsheet. We successfully running the scenario and saving the parsed data values to the Google Sheets spreadsheet. To view the parsed data values, open your Google Sheets app and navigate to the worksheet where you specified the data to be saved. Here are the parsed data values from invoices that were successfully saved to the Google Sheets spreadsheet. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.